Welcome to our presentation. Our presentation topic process simplification. Assalamualaikum ma'am. My name is Kamrul Islam Leon. My ID last 4 digit 1155. Introduction. What is process simplification? Why it is important in multitasking system. Simplification help manage how different program or tasks use the same resource. It makes sure only one task user an important part like memory or file at a time. This is stop mistake for mix up from happening. In system do many things at once like multitasking, tasking can run together. That can create wrong answer to problem in the system. Rest condition. Why rest condition occurs? A rest condition happen when two or more tasks try to use and change the same data at the same time. The final result depend on which task finding fast, which can cause wrong or exact result. Real world example: two people try to withdraw money from the same bank account at the same time. Both check the balance before anyone update it. Make tasks run at the same time. They try to use the same resource or data. There is no proper contract for rules, no signification. Critical problem. Critical section. A critical section is a part of code. It's where tasks use a change shared resource like variable, file, etc. The problem: how to ensure that only one process executes in its critical section at a time. The three necessary conditions to solve it: multiple exclusion, program boundary waiting. Multiple exclusion: only one task can use the shared resource at a time. Program: if one task is using the resource, another waiting task will not to wire forever. Then, then there should be a little one to how long other used to resource before the waiting task get in true. Semaphore. Semaphore is a sensorism tool used to control access to shared resource in system. Type of semaphore: binary semaphores, multiple variable is 0 or 1. Use more multiple access only one process alone in the critical section. Connection semaphore: variable can be any non-negative integer used to control access to a resource with multiple integer at a port of connection. Real world application. Online ticket booking prepares overbooking of seat in flight, bus or contract. Simplification ensure that on a ticket is booked by one use in because enable for other in real time. Printer spline system: multiple computer sending print job to a shared printer. Simplification management: the print quicks a job for exist in other without condition. Conclusion: process simplification in need to keep data connection that avoid where tasks share resource. Race condition can cause unpredictable result. They can be progress using tasking like simpler and multics. Personal algorithm that the Becker algorithm are used in theory, but Simprose and Monitor are more partner and work better in real system. Thank you.